Hello, I'm Nancy Borelli with Community Living Advocates, and today I'm here with Amanda from Red Mill Manor. Hi, Amanda.
Hi, Nancy. How are you?
Thank you so much for coming on with us today. I would love to hear all about the Red Mill Manor. Can you tell us where you're located?
Absolutely. So we are located in pretty much the heart of the village of Baldwinsville. It's 4 Syracuse Street, Baldwinsville, New York. We're right on Paper Mill Island, in front of the amphitheater here. And it used to be the Red Mill Inn. It originated as a mill, but then it was the Red Mill Inn, and it went over a 2-year reconstruction to become independent senior living.
Yes, and I've been there. It's absolutely beautiful. Can you tell us about the accommodations there, please?
I would love to. So we have 32 apartments. We consider ourselves boutique style. It's very cozy, lots of natural wood and beams from the original mill. And each apartment's a little bit different and unique. Some have built-in bookshelves, but we have mainly studio apartments that all feature a kitchen area with a full fridge and freezer, a microwave and cabinetry, granite countertops. And then we do have a few 1-bedroom apartments as well as 2 suites. One of those suites is a luxurious 2-floor suite with a full kitchen and panoramic views of the river.
I've actually seen that apartment and it is absolutely gorgeous.
It is.
Okay, can you tell us about the amenities there?
Yes, so our rates are all inclusive. So our residents pay a monthly rate that includes all of their meals, usually 3 meals a day. And then on Sunday, it's actually a brunch. So instead of breakfast and lunch, we do a really nice big 11 to 1 brunch with mimosas, very important. And then we include bi-weekly housekeeping. So we will come in, clean the apartment, as well as strip the bed and wash their linens and towels, and then redress the bed for them and put the towels away. We have a full calendar of activities going on, as well as trips to the store, trips to the bank. We do provide medical transportation that's scheduled. And we also include 24-hour surveillance, as well as an emergency alert pendant that the residents would wear. If they did fall or should they press it, it alerts a call center and connects with them through the device. And then all of the utilities are included as well. So it's not just your heat, hot water, it's also your cable, phone, and internet. So they really have to just worry about 1 monthly fee, and the rest is in our hands.
That is absolutely wonderful. I have to tell you, the only community that I've heard of so far that does the internet. So that's really cool.
Oh, yes, it's a nice feature.
Can you tell us some of the other things that set you apart from other independent living communities?
Absolutely. One, I would say our location. We are walking distance from restaurants and shops, and we're right on Paper Mill Island, so you can go out to the tip of the island and walk. There's an amphitheater behind us, so you can see concerts. Just being located right in between the river and the lock. We cannot wait for nicer weather and boats to be coming through. So I would definitely say location, because you can get pretty much anywhere on foot, including many churches are right around here as well, of different denominations. And then one of our amenities, so we have like a community room, we have your standard dining room, which is, everything has views in the building. Apartments and community rooms all have views of the water. We have a community kitchen, but we also have a pub, and I do think that sets us apart. We've got a couple TVs in there. We do host, themed happy hours in there, and it's just a really cool addition to a senior living community for sure.
Thank you. Now, if people want to get more information, how can they contact you?
Yes, so I can be reached via email, and my email is amanda@redmillmanor.com. You can also reach me at 315-303-0406.
Okay. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much, Amanda, telling us all about the Red Mill Manor.
My pleasure. Thank you as always, Nancy.